Guys, welcome. So today is going to be another haul and open up some boxes that I received from Walmart. These are items that I did end up buying online. Okay, so we're gonna do a little unboxing together and I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts firsthand of how I feel about them. If you haven't watched my last Walmart haul, I will link it up here. So let's go on and get started and I'll see you guys in a bit. For reference, I'm 4'11" and I weigh about 115 pounds and I wear around a size 27 for jeans and top about a small. Anyway, these are not all the things that I actually ordered. I actually ordered more things, but unfortunately, they didn't come on time. If I do get the other items, I will show you guys in a blog. You guys can see what I got. So I see some leggings here. So let's go over the leggings first because I did buy these leggings from Time and True. These are in a size small. And they are about $14.96. This reminds me of a leggings that I have from the brand Spanx. And they're very similar. This is like a really good quality. The material feels really thick. So I'm really surprised. The brand Spanx, they're pretty high on their prices when it comes to leggings, but the quality is amazing. Walmart seems to have very similar leggings to Spanx, but it's like a hit or miss. These are very similar to the ones I have, but this is exactly why I wanted to buy it, just to compare. I'm gonna try it out. They have a little bit of a sheen to them, you can see, and I think they have it in other sizes as well, but this is how it looks like. I think this is a great, more elevated type of leggings that you can wear with even like with a one-piece top like this. So I definitely do recommend. I recommend. So I'm gonna try this on, give you guys an idea of how it feels and how it looks. Now the leggings did fit me a little bit long, so I had to tug it in underneath, but nothing that you can't fix. And these are the leggings. They fit really nice on the top area. They are very high-waisted. So if you are petite, they are going to fit you a little bit more high-waisted. I love this, you guys. This is like great for like running errands, being on the go, you know, if you just want to like be casual but feel very comfy. Yeah, this is the outfit. Oh, this one is it is more of a waffle type of material, like a waffle type of look. I thought online it looked a little bit more thicker, like the material, but it is a little bit more on the thinner side. I don't know if you guys can see. It is more on the thinner side, but I honestly think this is super cute. I think this is great to wear casually with like your leggings, you know, and some sneakers. I do like that it has a little split here in the bottom and it goes on a low-high type of look. So in the back is a little bit longer than the front. So yeah, these are the typical type of long sleeve shirts that I actually tend to buy. I like to feel very comfortable in my clothes. This is definitely something great for layering. So you can put this even underneath the puffer. So this is the outfit that I put together. I'm wearing the waffle top with the leggings from Time and True and these sneakers. Remember, it has this high-low in the back and in the front. So if it's a little bit higher in the front, lower in the back. So it does cover the bum area. And actually I do like it. Love this outfit. Okay, I wanted to get something for the summertime because now spring is almost already literally right around the corner. I know it's still winter. And by the way, it did snow in New Jersey this past few days. And I love the snow, but the aftermath of the snow and how it gets really ugly and muddy, I just don't like that. But either way, this one's actually from Time and True. And this is a one-piece, you can see, one-piece shirt. It did come in two colors, so the black and the white. I think the quality is really good. The material feels really nice and thick. So yeah, Time and True definitely did a great job with this. Because Walmart is one of those places where, you know, you definitely, it's a hit or miss. Some of these items, for some reason, they go out of stock super fast. And I like to share with you guys if they do still have it in stock. Camera over here is one of those cameras that die really quickly, so I have to move on super fast. So it's called the Time and True Woman's Smoothing Bodysuit. Comes in a 2-pack and they have size extra small all the way to size extra large. And right now they're about $23.96. So it does come in a 2. So I definitely do recommend. if you're interested in it, get yourself one of these. It's like a staple for your wardrobe. I feel like you need these types just to layer. And I will maybe link another similar one to this from the brand Pumi that I saw online that I think is also such a great brand. And a lot of people have been really loving that brand for bodysuits. I think it hugs you really nicely. So I will link it down below as well for other alternative if you guys, you know, don't shop at Walmart. Love the feel, and it's super thick, the material, but it's really nice, you guys. I definitely do recommend. I kind of wish it was more in a size extra small. I think it's super good, and the quality is amazing, super thick. I'm wearing it with some jeans. These are actually from Abercrombie. I will link them down below if you're interested in them. Very stretchable, and it's gonna hug your waist really nice and tight, which is why I kind of wish I would have gone with an extra small, but I'm not sure why I didn't. Usually I do when it comes to these type of materials because I know these are very stretchy, and I am really happy about it. So far so good with the quality and how I'm liking the clothes that I actually picked out. So far so good. So the next thing that I did get was two pairs, or a pair of sweatsuits, whatever you guys want to call it, tracksuits I would say, and I got them in a color brown. I think these were the only ones, or the one color that was available with both sizes, but they do have them in gray, black, also in a light beige color. And this is by the brand No Boundaries, and it is in a size extra small. The top is $19.98 and the bottom is $18.98. So the prices are actually really good, and I did go with the size extra small because I know these kind of run a little bit more oversized, but we're gonna try it out. This one is the pants. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys the top that I'm wearing with these jogger pants. I did have to cuff it a little bit in the bottom because they were a tad bit long. I'm wearing it with some Uggs. I wanted to show you guys how it will look with the sleeveless top, but I like this. I would definitely wear this even just to run errands for the summertime or for the springtime. Really nice and casual, and I do like it. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna wear the top and show you guys how that one looks. Okay, so this is how the set looks, you guys. I am obsessed with this set. Super cute, and I love how oversized it feels and it looks. I'm just really happy about this. Really love it. Paired with some Uggs, it feels super comfy. Yeah, this is definitely one that I am for sure gonna keep. I love this set, and I did get mine in an extra small, so it's perfect for my petite size. And I love how just it feels. It feels really good quality. Let me just show you guys how the brown looks like. So I feel like when you're wearing matching sets, it just makes you look a little bit more elevated and put together. So I totally recommend. And by the way, definitely for sure, if you have thicker thighs, thicker legs, you're a little bit more full in the bottom, definitely size up to a small. Just because I have thinner legs, so these do fit me quite right for my frame. But definitely size up to a small if you are more on the thicker side when it comes to your bottom. So the next thing is this little small package that I got. I believe this is from Amazon, but I still wanted to show you guys. I know this is like a Walmart haul. So I'm gonna be going to this class on Tuesday, and I'm gonna be doing some Pilates. So I figured I'd order some of those grip socks, and I found these from Amazon that were really good price. I think they were like $12 a set, so it comes with 4 sets. I was more interested in the white one, but I'm actually pretty happy that I got the set because these colors are super pretty. They're very neutral, so they do have really nice grip. The quality is actually really good. Trying to get myself in a better shape, get a little bit more healthy also, but I am really happy to be starting Pilates this Tuesday, so we'll see how it goes. It's my first time doing Pilates. I've done some Pilates at home, just like really for workouts and all that. I think this Pilates is more like a reformer Pilates, so it's a little bit more different. But anyways, these are the socks. I'm actually quite excited to try them, and I feel like they're super good. They feel amazing. So those are the things that came in the mail. I'm actually a little bit annoyed that I didn't get all my orders because I have so much stuff to show you guys, but I will link the other ones that I will be showing you guys maybe next week in this video below in the description box so you guys can see. and then I'll share with you guys maybe a part 2 to this video once I get everything coming in. Please let me know what other places you guys want me to do a haul from. I can do Target, I can do Amazon. If you guys just want me to stick to Walmart, I can definitely just do that too. Follow me on Instagram and follow me on TikTok. I also post some fashion inspos on those channels. And I also have a shop LTK, which I will leave the link down below, where I also share with you guys all my fashion finds. And have a nice, amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.